Nestjs is a Node.js framework which provides a way to build scalable server-side applications and which supports TypeScript. It's an opinionated framework which provides a proper structure to build your code. I mean, it is providing us the way to build model view controller. So it is following MVC design pattern, and it has a built-in support of all different kind of modules, the integration modules with the databases, integration module with the passport on token-based authentications, different database modules like TypeORM, Mongoose, integration with the WebSocket. All these modules are built-in modules in the Nestjs. So it has a support for all these type of categories, like for streaming of data, logging, configuration management, security, database. All these aspects are covered in the Nestjs built-in module support. The building blocks for the Nestjs is controllers, modules, pipes, guards, middleware, interceptors, pipes, and integration with the databases using different modules like SQLize, Knex, TypeORM. Setting up Nestjs is easy. We can just use a Nest CLI and can get started with a basic application. It is platform agnostic. That means using Nestjs, you can expose an interface for WebSocket, REST API, or GraphQL APIs. And we can also build microservices with the Nestjs. And it has integration with all these different systems. It can expose Swagger API spec. So Swagger has support with the Nestjs, Mongoose, TypeORM, and different modules for token-based authentication like Passport. It has all, because it has a nice TypeScript support. It has reactive programming support using RxJS library, and it is inspired by Angular design, because if you are Angular developer, you will feel very easy to understand Nestjs module system, controller, providers, factories, and services. And this is all Nestjs is. Code organization is the most important aspect, and that Nestjs is very good at. It's an opinionated framework which allows us to create controllers, providers, services through the Nest CLI, or you can also manually follow this kind of code organization and putting controllers, factories, entities, DTOs, and services in respective folders. So overall, your application is like well structured. And we can just look at the little bit of code. Here we can see controller, simple cat controller, which is adding a service. This is a service which is injected in the controller. This is our simple, this is controller, and you can see the dependency injection of the cat service here. And this is how we create a Nestjs modules, and Nestjs provides the adapter for both Fastify and Express. That means you can create an application built on top of Express or the Fastify. It provides both different type of adapters, and we can build an application with that. It has support for the microservices, so we can build TCP, gRPC, or AMQP based microservices. If you like this, then my channel is full of Nestjs content. Please like, share, and subscribe.